Alright, yo, what's up? Um, guess I'm back with another video after a while. Today I'm going to show you how to have your status saying what you're watching on YouTube. So first thing you need to do is you need to have a browser like Google Chrome. Go to this link in the description. Download it for whichever platform you're on. Once it's downloaded, you can click this arrow and click Chrome or Firefox and then you have to download the description on Chrome or Firefox. So you click your browser and then just wait for this so you can skip it, and then what you want to do is you want to click add to Chrome. I already have it, so it says remove from Chrome. The thing you want to do is it should be up here, or you just have to enable it. You want to click this and go to present store. Alright, so once you're here, you can add extra stuff, like you can add your like you're browsing Twitter, Instagram, Scribble.io, Reddit, Gmail, but the defaults should be like YouTube, Twitch, SoundCloud, Netflix, Google, all that normal stuff. And for you to test it out, let's go to a YouTube video right now. Reaction rolls. Alright, so once you're here, it should say on Discord that you are in YouTube. And that's basically it. Very easy, like 5 second. It shouldn't take you any time at all. Yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And have yourselves a nice day.